Hi everyone, let me have a quick revision of limits at infinity. So listen student here, based on degree we answer many questions in the limit here. What do you mean by degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable appearing in a polynomial here. Listen here. So condition number 1 here. If the degree of the numerator is greater than degree of denominator, in such case your answer is always what here? So infinity. Listen example here. So keep remember the condition here. So limit x tends to infinity has to be there in all the case. We are studying what here? Limits at infinity. Limits x tends to what here? Infinity. Okay. If the degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator here, in such case your answer is always infinity. Look at an example here. So here the highest, so the degree of the polynomial is 3 numerator. In the denominator, the degree of the polynomial is what here? 2. So numerator degree is 3 and denominator degree is what here? 2. So 3 greater than 2. In such case your answer is what here? Infinity. So the answer of this guy is what here? Infinity. Okay. So listen question number 2. If the degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator here, in such case your answer is the simply ratio of coefficient of highest power in numerator divided by coefficient of highest power in denominator here. Listen an example here. So limit x tends to infinity. So 3x square 5x minus 6. So divided by 6x square minus 2x plus 7 here. What is the degree of the numerator here? 2. What is the degree of the denominator here? 2. 2 equal to 2. In such case your answer is what here? Simply it's the ratio of what here? The coefficient of the highest power in the numerator is what here? 3. The coefficient of highest power in the denominator is what here? 6. 3 by 6 nothing but what here? 1 by 2. Okay. In case number 3. If the degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, in such case your answer is always what here? 0. For example, check here. What the degree of numerator here? 2. The degree of the denominator is what here? 3. So 2 less than 3. In such case the answer is always what here? 0. So listen students here, if the degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, in such case your answer is infinity. If degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator here, in such case your answer is simply the ratio of what here? The coefficient of highest power in numerator divided by coefficient of highest power in the denominator. Okay. So if degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, in such case your answer is always what here? 0. For more clarification, do watch limits part 2 video. So this concept has been clearly explained there. Now let me begin with today's concept students here. Okay. So today's concept is very super trick here. The trick is what here? Limit x tends to, it may be here a might be there 0 or infinity, whatever might be. Limit x tends to a raised to b is equal to, limit x tends to a raised to b equal to, the formula keep remember here, e to the power limit x tends to same a or b or b, infinity or infinity. So e raised to limit x tends to, so this b is multiplied here, b into a minus 1. What's the formula? Limit x tends to, let me write here infinity or 0. So limit x tends to infinity, a raised to b equal to, limit x tends to infinity. So b into a raised to, so b into a minus 1. Okay. So now let it begin with numerical here based on this super trick here. Okay. So the first numerical here comes with the first numerical. Hope you remember the formula students here. Okay. Okay. Lesson. What is the first question here? Question number 1. Okay. First one. Lesson. Limit x tends to infinity. Okay. Limit x tends to infinity. X plus 6 divided by x plus 1 whole to the power of x plus 4 here. Here this guy is act as what here? A. This guy is what here? A. And this is what here? B. It's like what here? A raised to B. In such case I should apply this formula here. Okay. So listen here. What will happen here if I apply this guy here? E raised to limit x tends to infinity. Okay. So this guy is A and this guy is what here? B. What is the formula? B into nothing but x plus 4 into B into A minus 1. A nothing but this ratio x plus 6, so whole divided by x plus 1, so minus 1. So what is your answer here? Limit x tends to infinity. Okay. X plus 4 whole divided by, so what is the denominator? So here LCM is x plus 1, cross multiply this guy here, it becomes what here? X plus 6. Okay. Minus x minus 1. So x cancel, 6 minus 1 is what here? 5. I will write directly this guy is what here? 5. Okay. So try to write directly this step here. Okay. So now listen here. Based on this step here, I will take the judgment here. E raised to limit extends to infinity. So no need of multiplying. Then also will multiply here 5x by 20 divided by x plus 1 here. Now check here. Limit extends to infinity is there. Extends to infinity. Okay. So based on this super trick here. So this is the revision concept here. This revision concept here. Okay. So here the coefficient, check the degree here. What is the degree of the numerator here? 1. So what is the degree of denominator here? So degree of denominator is also what here? 1. If the degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator here, in such case your answer is what here? Simply, so the ratio of the highest coefficient in numerator and denominator here, nothing but 5 by 1. 5 by 1. So the answer is e raised to what here? 5. So option number C is correct here. Hope you understood. Now let me begin with one more question, students here. Okay, one more question. Question number 2. Listen with question number 2. So what is question number 2 here? Limit extends to infinity. X square plus 5x plus 3 whole divided by x square plus x plus 2. Okay. Now let me start here. What is A and what is B here? Here this guy becomes what here? This guy is what here? This complete guy becomes what here? A. And B is what here? X. Apply the formula. Apply question number 2. So e raised to limit extends to infinity. Okay. So here. B, what is the formula? The B into A minus 1. B nothing but what here? X. A minus 1. X square plus 5x plus 3 whole divided by, so x square plus 2x plus, x square plus x plus 2 minus 1. What will happen here? E raised to limit extends to infinity, right? X into, okay. So the denominator part here, LCM is what here? X square plus x plus 2. If I multiply here, it becomes what here? Minus x square minus x minus 2. Okay. X square cancel. 5x minus x is 4x. And 3 minus 2 is what here? Plus 1. Okay. Oh, now let me decide the answer here. Students, here multiply here. X into 4x is 4x square. The degree of the numerator is what here? 2. Okay, here the degree of denominator is what here? 2. So numerator degree equal to denominator degree here. In such case your answer is simply what here? The ratio of the coefficient of highest power in numerator and denominator here. What is the answer here? So highest power in the numerator, sorry, the coefficient 4x square, nothing but 4 here. So the coefficient of x square is what here? 1, nothing but what is your answer here? E raised to 4. Hence e raised to 4, nothing but option number C is correct here. Okay. Now let us start with one more example here. So one more example. Okay. Let us start with example number 3. Limit extends to 0. 1 plus 5x square divided by 1 plus 3x square whole to the power of 1 by x square. Here I have written already solution. So try to look at here and understand the steps here. Kindly pause the video to note it down. Now let me go with question number 4. So listen here. What is question number 4? We solve with question number 4 once again. Okay. Limit n tends to infinity. So n square plus n plus 1 whole divided by n square plus 1 to the power of, so n square plus 21 whole divided by n. This will act as what here? This guy is A. This guy is what here? B. Apply formula now. So e raised to limit n tends to infinity, right? So b into, what is b value? N square plus 21 by n. B into A minus 1. N square plus n plus 1 upon n square plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So e raised to limit n tends to infinity, right? N square plus 21, so by n. So the LCM part is here, n square plus 1 here. If you cross it here, it becomes minus n square minus 1. N square cancel, plus 1 cancel. What remains here? N. And this n cancel with this guy here. So what remains here? E raised to limit n tends to infinity. Simply n square plus 21 divided by n square plus, so 1. Now check with the degree here. The degree of numerator is 2. The degree of denominator is what here? 2. In such case, what is your answer here? Your answer is simply, so the ratio of the coefficient of highest power in numerator and denominator, nothing but what here? Directly it's a 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is what here? 1. Hence e raised to 1, nothing but what here? E is the answer. Hence, so question number B is correct here. Okay, students, here. Now let me go with question number 5, which is very important here. Question number 5. Listen. So question number 5. We'll begin with question number 5. Okay. Question number 5. Students, here. Limit extends to 0, right? Limit extends to 0. 16 raised to x plus 9 raised to x upon 2 whole to the power of 1 by x. and this guy is a and this guy is what here, b. Apply formula. So e raised to limit extends to 0, right? So what is the formula? B into b, nothing but 1 by x, a minus 1, 16 raised to x plus 9 raised to x by 2 whole minus 1. So now apply formula. So once again, limit e raised to limit extends to 0, 1 by x, right? So what is the LCM here? 2. This becomes what here? 16 raised to x plus 9 raised to x minus 2. Okay. So listen here, how best I can write here? Limit extends to 0. Okay. This guy I am writing as what here? Okay. 1 by 2 I will write here, and this x I will write here. 16 raised to x minus 1 plus 9 raised to x minus 1. This minus 2 I am writing as minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So once again I will segregate here. Limit extends to 0. Okay. So 1 by 2 I will be writing as same here. This you can separate here. 16 raised to x minus 1 by x plus 9 raised to x minus 1 by x here. Okay. Why? So because if I apply the formula, what is the formula? Limit extends to 0. E raised to x minus 1 by x is nothing but what here? Log e to the base e. What's the formula? Limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. E raised to x minus 1 by x is equal to what here? Log e to the base what here? E. Okay. So listen now. What is happen here? E raised to limit of extends to 0, 1 by 2. So this guy log e to the base e, nothing but what here? So log of what here? 16 plus this guy is what here? Log of what here? 9. E raised to limit I am writing here. Okay. So what will happen here? Limit extends to in 0. Okay. 1 by 2. Log a plus log b, nothing but log a b. Log 69 into 9, nothing but log 144. Okay. Here you don't have any x part here. Simply remove the limit part here. E raised to log 144 I am writing as what here? Log of 12 square. Log 12 square. E raised to 1 by 2. This 2 will come here. So as a coefficient here, 2 log 12, because log m raised to n is what here? N log m here. This 2 is to cancel here. What's the answer here? E raised to log 12. Here base e should be there here. At this case here, and this guy completely cancelled. This is a property of log here. Hence your answer is what here? Simply 12. So keep remember student here, e raised to log k to the base a. So if this base and this base is same, in such case your answer is always what here? K. Here base is e, this guy is also e, this guy completely cancel here. Your answer is what here? 12. Hence option number B is correct here. Okay. Now we'll go with the last question here. We shall go with the last question. Okay. Listen. So what is your question number 6 here? Question number 6. Limit extends to 0. E raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x whole upon 3 to the power of 1 by x here. Okay. So this guy completely has what here? A. 1 by x is what here? B. Apply property here. E raised to limit. So extends to 0. Okay. So the b part 1 by x, a minus 1. Nothing but a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x whole upon 3 minus 1. Same process as we applied in question number 5 here. Same way. Limit extends to 0. So 1 by x here. So here the LCM part is 3. So once again what here? A raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x minus 3. Okay. So e raised to limit extends to 0, 1 upon x. What I am writing here? This minus 3 you write as so a raised to x minus 1, b raised plus b raised to x minus 1 plus c raised to x minus 1 here. So e raised to x minus 1 plus b raised to x minus 1 plus c raised to x minus 1 whole upon 3. Okay. So last step, e raised to limit extends to 0. So this 1 by 3 here I will write here, and this guy x separately you can write. So directly I will write here one more step here, x e raised to x minus 1 plus b raised to x minus 1 plus c raised to x minus 1. So e raised to limit extends to 0. Okay. So 1 by 3. Now separate here, a raised to x minus 1 by x plus b raised to x minus 1 by x plus c raised to x minus 1 by x here. So e raised to limit extends to 0, 1 by 3. This guy, so limit extends to 0, e raised to x minus 1, e raised to x minus 1 by x, nothing but what here? Log a to the base e. Hence this guy answer is what here? Log a, plus this guy is what here? Log b, and this guy is what here? Log c. So e raised to limit x tends to 0. So 1 by 3 into log a plus log b plus log c, nothing but what here? Log a b c. Here you don't have any expert here, simply remove the log here, e raised to directly. So what is your answer here? 1 by 3 log ABC. This I am writing as what here? Log ABC to the power of 1 by 3. Here base should be what here? E. Once again, as I said here, so this E same, this part completely cancelled out here. What is the answer here? ABC to the power of what here? 1 by 3. Hence option number B is correct here. So hope you understood these many questions, students here. Now it's time to congratulate. It's time to congratulate the fastest finger. So Miss Anusha Magyari for the question on continuity part 5. Those who answer correctly for the first, so whose name will be mentioned in my next video. Now it's time to give a homework for you. So dear students, here are some questions for you. Try to work it out separately and do answer in the comment box here. Hope you understood this video here. If you like the video, kindly share among your friends here. So if you like, it really motivates for me to do some awesome video for you. Until then, bye bye, take care.